Hello children. So let's see some formulas of the negative ions. Most of them they make mistakes in writing the name of these ions. So the formula also goes wrong. Right. So let's check this. So for nitrogen I have written phosphorus and sulfur. Nitrogen valency 3 minus, phosphorus 3 minus and sulfur 2 minus. So they all are in the single form, they are not attached to any other element, correct? So the name will be nitride. This will be phosphide. And the last one is 2 minus is sulfide. Correct. Now how to remember this? It will be ID, ID, ID because they are in the single form. Let us give them an ID card, identity card, right? So that is nitride, phosphide, sulfide. So now check the next one. NO2 minus, PO3 3 minus, SO3 2 minus, correct. One more I will write here, that is NO3 minus, PO4 3 minus and SO4 2 minus. Correct. Now let us write the name of these ions. So the smaller numbers, correct. Check in this one. We will take the nitrogen examples, NO2 minus and NO3 minus. Which is smaller number? NO2 minus. 2 is a smaller number. Similarly here PO3 3 minus, PO4 3 minus, which is the smaller number? That is 3 minus, 3, correct, 3. Over here SO3 and SO4, so which is the smaller number? SO3. So remember, the smaller number it is easy to recite, okay, easy to recite. The smaller number is easy to recite. So the name will end with ite. So how will I write this? Nitrite. Correct. This will be phosphite. The smaller number it is easy to recite. So this will be nitrite. See the end? Ite, ite, ite. SO3 minus, that will be sulfite. Now what about the bigger numbers? Remember it as you ate the bigger numbers. Ate the bigger numbers, correct? So the name will be nitrate. You ate the bigger numbers, ate. Then this will be phosphate. And the last one will be sulfate. Correct? So this way you can remember, because why I took this is most of them they make mistakes while writing the formulas. Correct? So just make a note of this. You can write ID, IDE, IDE form for single species, that is nitride, phosphide and sulfide. Nitrite, phosphite, sulfite, the smaller numbers, correct. Compare these two, 3 and 2, 2 is smaller. Compare 4 and 3, 3 is smaller. Compare 4 and 3, 3 is smaller. So the smaller numbers you can recite, recite, recite. So that is nitrite, phosphite, sulfite. And the bigger number, that is 8, 8, 8. Nitrate, phosphate, sulfate. Hope this was useful for you. Thank you.